Makeup Remover Cleansing Face Wipes are a type of facial cleansing product that are designed to help remove makeup and impurities from the skin. These wipes typically come in a pre-moistened form, with a soft, textured surface that helps to gently exfoliate the skin, while also wiping away makeup and other debris. There are many different brands and types of Makeup Remover Cleansing Face Wipes available. Now we will talk about top 5 makeup remover wipes. Link in the description. This is number 1. Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Face Wipes. Twin pack with 25 count each of ultra soft, pre-moistened Neutrogena Makeup Remover Face Wipes. With a micellar-infused triple emollient formula, remove makeup and cleanse skin, while leaving it feeling refreshed, soft, smooth and conditioned. Makeup Remover Facial Cleansing Towelettes work to dissolve all traces of dirt, removes bacteria, impurities, oil and makeup on skin, while also removing pollution, sweat and sunscreen, for superior cleansing and makeup removing power at your fingertips. Facial Cleansing Wet Wipes are ophthalmologist, dermatologist, and allergy tested and gentle on the eyes. The effective formula removes up to 99% of makeup, even stubborn waterproof mascara, without tugging. Our clean promise to you and the planet. These facial cleansing wipes are made with 100% plant-based fibers. Skincare routine for a refreshing self-care experience at home. Number 2. Olay Daily Clean Makeup Removing Facial Cleansing Wipes. All your cleansing needs in one. Don't have the sink space for a cleanser, a makeup remover, a toner, a scrub, and a mask. Don't sweat it. A single cleansing cloth has all 5 benefits. Velvety soft. We've crafted these dry clothes to be strong enough to take on your heaviest makeup or gym days, but soft enough to cleanse delicate skin around your eyes. Give back to your skin. Replenish and hydrate as you cleanse with this gentle grapeseed extract and glycerin-infused formula. Pocket-sized luxury. Designed to be used anywhere, anytime. Just add a bit of water and lather up with premium ingredients. A deeper cleanse. Dermatologically tested and soap-free. These cleansing cloths dissolve the toughest makeup while leaving your skin soft and moisturized. Water-activated cloths exfoliates, tones, and hydrates skin. Number 3. Burt's Bees Makeup Remover Facial Cleansing Towelettes. Made from repurposed cotton. These Burt's Bees face wipes are made from at least 60% repurposed cotton, a waste product from t-shirt manufacturing. Makeup Remover Wipes. Towelettes for all skin types. 3-in-1 hydrating micellar cleanser with rose water. 30 count pack of 3. These wipes are designed to gently cleanse and tone your skin while removing pore-clogging dirt, oil, and makeup, leaving only the soothing fragrance of rose water. Locks in moisture. These rinse-free, disposable, micellar wipes come in a pack, with a convenient resealable closure to keep towelettes moist and fresh. One-step cleanser. These 3-in-1 cleansing towelettes naturally cleanse, remove makeup, hydrate and nourish skin with 99.5% natural origin ingredients in one easy step. Number 1 Dermatologist Recommended Natural Skincare Brand. Number 4. Amazon Basics Makeup Remover Wipes. 6 resealable 25 count packs of Amazon Basics fragrance-free makeup remover wipes that cleanse, refresh, and moisturize your face. These soft towelettes effectively remove all traces of dirt, oil, and makeup, even stubborn, waterproof mascara. The formula is fragrance-free. Pack of 6 previously Salimo. Hypoallergenic, pH balanced, non-comedogenic, and no harsh irritants, while being dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested. Formulated without parabens, phthalates, sulfates, and alcohol. Alexa voice shopping enabled. To place your next order, just say, "Alexa, reorder Amazon Basics Makeup Remover Wipes." Satisfaction guarantee. We're proud of our products. If you aren't satisfied, we'll refund you for any reason within a year of purchase. So go for it. Number 5. CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleansing Makeup Remover Wipes. Hydrating Makeup Remover Face Wipes. These pH-balanced rinse-free face cleansing wipes remove dirt, oil, and makeup, including waterproof mascara, with ceramides and glycerin. The gentle cleansing wipes help lock in moisture. Plant-based face cloth. The 100% plant-based face cloth, infused with gentle makeup remover, is biodegradable and home compost. Sensitive skin tested and non-greasy feel. Formulated with sensitive skin in mind, the hydrating formula is fragrance-free, oil-free, allergy-tested, ophthalmologist-tested, sensitive skin tested, and non-comedogenic, so it will not clog your pores. 3 essential ceramides. Ceramides are found naturally in the skin and make up 50% of the lipids in the skin barrier. All CeraVe products are formulated with 3 essential ceramides to help restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier. CeraVe skincare is developed with dermatologists and has products suitable for dry skin, sensitive skin, oily skin, acne prone, and more. Buy your favorite one. Link in the description. Thanks for watching.